All right, September the 25th, Tuesday or Wednesday, something like that. All right, so what we got here is with the continuation of the Beaver. It kind of has to do with the slide, but remember I was telling you I was getting ready to install a custom backsplash. So here's the first set. So basically what you do is you buy a bunch of these tiles. Some of them come in sheets, which would be easier. All right, so what I did was measure this tile, and I made an 1/8 inch spacer because every 8 rows would be an inch higher up. So this actually measured 2 inches. So I measured it 19 up, right, 19 up, 25 and 5/16 out, over crossed. So that meant if I go by 2 inches, I divide 2 into 19, 9.5, or 10. I need 40 of these, okay, roughly. And then, remember, 2 inch equals 1/7 the tile plus 1/8 inch spacer, so 2. So 2 goes to 19, right, about 9.5, just say 10, and it equals 40 tiles. That doesn't account for, well, the 5 and 9/16. This way you divide it into, and then add an 1/8, right? Because an 1/8 is how many 16ths? Yes, how many? Well, a quarter is 2. So an 1/8 is half of that. So that's 1/8 inch is 2/16. All right, so 2, 9, 10, 11. So it's 11, 5 and 11/16. And then you would just divide that into the distance. All right, so that's what we did. That's the tile. And I got a little tile cutter out there. I'll make a video of it. It takes approximately 40 tiles. We had 3 left over. I do a plus 20% for waste. I still got to cut these, this little trim right here, go across up in there. I guess I wouldn't have to do it all the way, but I'm anal. It's going to get done. And then I got these. This is, I have to take this wood and cut it so the tile fits behind it. Let me show you. I'll go take you outside. All right, so I already got it marked right there. So this goes this way. All right, there's a little 90-degree holding it here. This screws in to the top piece like I showed you. Okay, so this would be the rear. So the tile's going to go in here. So I have to cut to here so I leave myself a little space for movement so I can tuck the tile behind it. All right, so that's pretty much it, folks. I've got a lot more to do. I'm going to show you my saw. Right, you can get one at Harbor Freight. You ain't going to do it that often. Right. If you want it done, come on down to the garage store. I'll show you. But I use warm water. All right, and I do it slow. That's the key, slow, or you're going to break the tile. It's a diamond bit tile. I marked it off. See, here we go. So luckily I made out that it is wide as I need to cut it for the small end pieces. All right, so this is Jeff from RV Diagnostics. Just a quick video on installing a forest green tile from Italy. I forgot what it was. 3 boxes. I think there's 40, 50 tiles in each one, or a little bit under $300 plus then the material to do it. And I'm getting there. I'll be filling it in soon, but just trying to get it all up before we go to the Beaver rally, which is Sunday, this coming Sunday. And it's Wednesday or Tuesday or something like that. All right, once again, thank you, Jeff from RV. Another quick look. All right, see, that way you're sitting here, I can see it. So I am going to put the tile across there. It's got to go all the way up into there, and then up into there. Okay. Up in here. Now, anyway, thank you very much, Jeff from RV Diagnostics. Don't forget the garage. It is a stay while you get repaired facility. If you live in them or you're traveling through the East Coast, I'm in Delaware, 19973 zip code. Plenty of beaches. I got what do you call it? Chesapeake Bay to my west, and I got the Atlantic Ocean to the east, folks. Plenty to do. Plenty to do. And you can stay here while you get your RV repaired, or even more, you can save more money by helping me repair it. I am 65. All right, so thank you very much, Jeff from RV Diagnostics. What's the motto? Test night, guess.